welcome to my training video. Today we will talk about dishwasher. While dishwasher can differ from model to model, they all operate on similar principle. In this video we will address 5 basic stages of dishwasher operation as well as potential problems you may encounter. The 5 basic operation stages are filling, washing, draining, rinsing, and drying. In most cases, the fill cycle actually begins with the draining the water from the appliance. Although some of this water is retained in the sump housing to prevent the seals from drying out and cracking when the dishwasher is not in use. Most dishwashers use 2 gallons of water or less and have a time to the fill cycle. The home water supply connects to the water inlet valve as you see in the video. When you select a wash cycle, the control or timer will send 120 volts of alternate current to the inlet valve solenoid. Open the valve and allow water filling the tub. As you see in the video, the water stops filling in the tub basin of the dishwasher. To allow a proper amount of water into the dishwasher tub, depending on the model, the voltage sent by the control will keep the valve open between 90 to 120 seconds. If the control fails and does not shut off, the valve solenoid, the flow switch, will cut off the water and prevent it from overflow. Remember, the flow switch is to prevent water overfilling. The flow itself does not monitor or control the amount of water entering the dishwasher tub. Having proper amount of water is vital to the dishwasher performance. If the water underfills, the dishware will not clean properly. Common cause for underfilling is caused by the restricted of water inlet valve. To help determine this, pour 1 to 2 quarts of water into the tub and run the dishwasher. If the wash performance improves, the valve probably defective and should be replaced. Try to clean out the old valve is not recommended due to failure parts after repair. Once the proper amount of water fills the tub, the washing stage begins. The 3 factors that affect the washing cycle are water circulation, detergent, and water temperature. To circulate the water in the dishwasher, the control or timer sends voltage to the motor drives a pump which uses an impeller to force the water up through the wash arm and the tower. The arm driven by the water jetting out the hose. As you see in the video, this is a normal wash cycle of your dishwasher. If the arms are not rotating or you experience poor wash performance, the cause could be the worn or damaged impeller. As the food debris is cleaned from the dishwasher and from the dishware is collected in the sump, which is filtered and retain the lost particles. Then you have another screen right here. This filter prevents the food particles from being circulated through the wash arm. Over time, some particles may still reach the wash arm, clog the hole, as you see here, and reduce wash performance. Let's try to do, we're gonna remove the wash arm and try to clean it. This is a hot point dishwasher. To order to remove the wash arm, there's a clip right here. You use the plier, pull it out, and take the wash arm out so you can clean the particles in the hose right here. Then you can check all this, make sure it's clear, and you can push the wash arm back in. Sometimes you can check the hose of the towel spray on, make sure nothing clogs. To put it back in, simply just push it down until you hear it clip. And it is normal for the arm is loosened. That's how the way it is. As the water circulates through the arms, a wax motor, solenoid, or a dispenser arm mechanically to open and release detergent that mixes with the water. Since dishwasher detergent does not create suds like other detergent or soap, you should only use detergent designated for only dishwasher use. As you see here, this is a rinse cap that you can fill in the rinse agent, and on the cap it does tell you when is it full. I don't think you have to do it, take it out, twist it out, and twist it back in. You also be aware that too much detergent may result in pitting or etching on glassware, so follow manufacturer's recommendation. Depending on the setting, the dishwasher may use the heating element during the wash cycle. The control or timer will send the voltage to the element periodically to maintain the water temperature between 120 and 160 degrees Fahrenheit. If the problem develops, the high limit thermostat, in some models don't have the high limit thermostat, switch off the voltage to prevent damage to the dishwasher. If you suspect the heating element is not working, you should test the element for continuity to determine if there is a continuous electrical path is present. As you see in the video, this is the typical hot point dishwasher that I think wisely used in our company throughout different properties. So that's why I use this model. It's very simple to repair and troubleshoot. And I did remodified it a little bit, and so it's showing the indicator lights. As you see right here, it's power. When the lights on, that means we got power to the unit. When the lights on at the timer, that tell you that there's a power go to the timer. And you see right here is water fill valve. When the lights on, that means the timer send power to the water valve to fill water into the tub. As you see here, the motor, when the lights on, that means the motor is running. Indicator light for the heater. When the timer send power to the heater to keep the water hot, the heater lights will be on. And the last one is the drain solenoid valve light indicator. When it's on, that means the drain is opening to remove the water out from the dishwasher. And let's look at the timer of this particular model. It has different cycle. You got a hot start, heavy wash, normal wash, water saver, and rinse only. And the last one is a plate warmer. It's very simple to repair. And let's start it on as a normal wash, and we can watch and see how the cycle go through. As you see in the video, when the start cycle of the dishwasher, you see we got power going in the dishwasher, power go to the timer, motor is running, and the drain solenoid was have a light on to drain some water out, and now it's cut off. Motor will continue running for a couple minutes and should be cut off, and water should be filled in. As we see now, is water start filling the dishwasher tub. Approximately about 2 gallons of water, and the timer will turn it off and start the wash cycle. As you see now, the washing cycle is on. You only see the timer and the motor is in the running mode. The rest is turned off, and we'll continue to see what will be the next cycle in next few minutes. As you see, after a couple minutes, the wash cycle is stopped, and you see the drain solenoid light is now come on. That means the dishwasher is pumping the water out to drain the dirty water. Now the solenoid valve is cut off, and in about a minute or so, the water valve will be cut back in. As you see now, the drainage cycle is stopped. It's gonna take approximately about 15 to 20 seconds, and the timer will go through the water fill valve to energize and fill water into the dishwasher tub. As you see, the drain valve is opening again, and it should cut off soon. Now you see water valve is energized and water starts filling in the dishwasher tub. And motor is kicking to start the wash cycle, and the water fill valve is de-energized to cut off water to fill in the dishwasher tub, and the washing cycle is begin. As you see right now, we are in the drain mode. That's water is draining out from dishwasher.